Here's the best way to clean your blender container from all the minerals and food stuff that kind of gets stuck on them over time that you really can't scrub off. All I'm gonna use to do this is Polident denture cleaning tablets. I got these 3-minute ones. I picked them up off of Amazon. There's a link in the description below. So all you need to do this is take a tablet, drop it in your blender, and then we're gonna fill it up with water. And we're gonna let it sit for about 5, maybe 10 minutes with it filled to the brim. The baking soda inside this and light bleach will actually attack the minerals on there and enable you to scrub them off a whole lot easier once it's all done. So go ahead and fill it up, and I'll fast forward to the end. Now we've got it filled all the way up, so we'll let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll go ahead and drain it, clean it out, and then rinse it out. It's been about 5 minutes now, so we'll go ahead and drain out the cleaner. Now we'll grab a paper towel and rub it on there and see what it all did. All right, so I've got my paper towel here. You can kind of see some of the coffee and mineral stains here, so I'll try to take it and wipe against it. And you can see that stuff's coming off a lot better than it used to. So I scrubbed on it with about 3 paper towels, and the great majority of the mineral buildup inside came off. There's still a little bit of stain left on there, but I think another 2 or 3 times doing this once every week or so, and I'll take it right off. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.